Father God alone knows why he permits nature, his creation, to kill and destroy people made in his likeness, the crowning and glory of all creation. Like other mysterious doings of God, we must keep our faith and be humble and contrite, and know and believe that he knows his plan, and whatever that plan, it is his alone. Yet, even in nature's turmoil of flooding rains and fierce winds that can blow your house down, drown you, kill you, ruin your life as you knew it, cause havoc of unbelievable proportions, strangely, at the same time, nature is life-giving. Here you will observe how the rain and wind on the outskirts of Hurricane Irene acted like a pruning tool, and that the hour upon hour rain softened and made heavy the dead limbs and twigs of trees, and the wind, accompanying the rain, blew them all down.